50% of men in their 50s and 60s have microscopic prostate cancers.
What if I told you that one simple drink could help fight prostate cancer? Science is showing us that the right foods and beverages can make a huge difference in our health. And today, we're diving into groundbreaking research by Dr. William Li, an expert in food as medicine, to reveal a powerful drink that can support prostate health and potentially fight cancer. You won't want to miss this. Dr. William Li, a world-renowned physician, scientist, and author of Eat to Beat Disease, has spent decades researching how certain foods can combat cancer by cutting off its blood supply, a process called angiogenesis inhibition.
In my book, Eat to Beat Disease, I got it right here. Check it out. If you haven't read it, I strongly recommend it. Eat to Beat Disease. It's got a lot of stuff in here about food doses and all the different kinds of foods that can activate your health defenses to fight cancer. There's whole sections about cancer-fighting foods in there.
Prostate cancer is one of the most common cancers in men worldwide. Every year, millions of men are diagnosed, and while treatments like surgery and radiation exist, prevention and early intervention are key. And guess what? Science is proving that what we drink and eat can play a major role in reducing risks. So, what's the one drink we're talking about? It's a powerhouse mix of ingredients scientifically proven to support prostate health. Pomegranate juice.
Let's talk about next food. We're going to talk about pomegranates. Speaking about purplish, reddish foods, the pomegranate, also a tropical fruit, although you can find them in most grocery stores now. They are kind of like a big apple with a thick skin and a little bit of a crown at the very top. They're heavy. You know why they're heavy? Because they're filled with seeds that around every seed is a little bit of liquid, and that's pomegranate juice. Now, these seeds in pomegranate juice are packed with bioactives. These are naturally occurring chemicals that give foods their biological punch. Okay, this is what you eat to beat disease, are these foods with these bioactives. And in pomegranate, they're called ellagitannins. Now, ellagitannins also help to give the bites the kind of acidity and also contribute to the color of the pomegranate. You want to be careful when you actually eat and work with pomegranate, because that dye around the seeds will stain your clothes if you're not careful. All right, but absolutely delicious. You know, by the way, each seed looks like a little ruby, beautiful red color. You ever see pomegranate in salad? I had a Syrian salad the other day called fattoush, and it had little pomegranate seeds in it. So when you're eating the salad, you bite into it, these little fruity rubies, and an explosion of sweet flavor and juice. Absolutely delicious.
Pomegranates not only are delicious, but they're also packed with powerful compounds that could help protect your prostate. Research, including studies highlighted by Dr. William Li, shows that these compounds can actually slow the growth of prostate cancer cells.
So what do ellagitannins do? Well, they do a couple of things. Pomegranate ellagitannins have been shown to cut off the blood supply to tumors, all right, starve cancer, anti-angiogenic, and in fact, clinical studies have even been done in men with prostate cancer showing that pomegranate juice can actually slow down the rise of PSA. Now, you don't know, PSA is a blood marker that goes up when you have prostate cancer. And for men who are actually having their PSA go up, having pomegranate juice pretty much kept them at a cruising altitude so they wouldn't actually keep rising. Pretty amazing, right? So what do we think actually is going on? Well, it turns out ellagitannins are anti-angiogenic. They cut off the blood supply to cancer. And in the case of prostate cancer, would make the prostate cancer harder, make it harder for them to actually grow and become more aggressive. Hence, we think this is actually why the PSA actually is able to be leveled off.
If you're looking for a natural way to support prostate health, pomegranate juice might be one of the best additions to your diet. Packed with powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, this vibrant red drink has been shown to slow prostate cancer progression and support overall prostate function. 1. A natural antioxidant powerhouse. Pomegranate juice is loaded with ellagitannins, flavonoids, and anthocyanins compounds that fight oxidative stress and reduce damage to cells. In simple terms, it helps protect your body from harmful free radicals, which can contribute to cancer development. Studies even suggest that pomegranate juice has more antioxidants than green tea or red wine, making it a top contender for cancer prevention. 2. Slows prostate cancer growth. One of the most exciting findings from research, including studies from Dr. William Lee and UCLA, is that pomegranate juice can slow the growth of prostate cancer cells. Here's how. It lowers PSA levels. PSA, prostate-specific antigen, is a key marker doctors use to monitor prostate cancer. Studies show that drinking 1 glass of pomegranate juice daily can slow the rise of PSA levels, which may indicate that the cancer is growing more slowly. SIR, cuts off blood supply to tumors. Cancer cells rely on new blood vessels to grow and spread. Pomegranate juice has been shown to block this process, angiogenesis, essentially starving tumors and preventing them from getting bigger. 3. Reduces inflammation and boosts immunity. Chronic inflammation plays a big role in cancer growth. The compounds in pomegranate juice, especially ellagic acid and punicolagen, help calm inflammation in prostate tissue, creating an environment that makes it harder for cancer cells to thrive. Plus, pomegranate juice gives your immune system a natural boost, making it even more effective in fighting off disease.
Now, the other thing that pomegranate juice does, which is really amazing, is that the ellagitannins, which you eat, trickles down your gut, goes down to your lower gut, your colon, and it stimulates your colon to produce natural mucus, right? We think about mucus normally in the upper throat, back of the mouth, right? If you want to actually have spit, right? But mucus is all throughout our GI tract, all throughout our intestines, and in the colon. When your colon secretes mucus, mucin, it helps a natural, healthy gut bacteria called Akkermansia muciniphila. Some people say mucinophilia, wrong. Akkermansia muciniphila. This is one of your best friends of gut bacteria because Akkermansia, when it comes to cancer, talks to your immune system, makes your immune system a lot beefier and stronger in the battle against cancer. So here's pomegranate juice with ellagitannins that actually lower inflammation. They starve cancer by cutting off the blood supply. They help nurture your gut microbiome, including an organism, Akkermansia muciniphila, that actually talks to your immune system and helps your immune system pounce and get rid of cancer.
Emerging research suggests that pomegranate juice can reduce the ability of cancer cells to spread to other parts of the body. By interfering with how cancer cells move and multiply, it may lower the risk of metastasis, which is a game changer for those at risk of advanced prostate cancer. Drinking 1 glass of 100% pomegranate juice every day is an easy, natural way to support your prostate health. While it's not a cure, the research is clear pomegranate juice can slow cancer progression, fight inflammation, and give your body an extra line of defense. Just make sure to choose a pure, unsweetened version for the best benefits. So there you have it, a simple yet powerful drink backed by science that can help you fight prostate cancer naturally. If you found this information valuable, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more science-backed health tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Also, drop a comment below. Have you tried pomegranate juice before? Let's talk about it.